Introduction. A tangible catalog is immensely practical, thus, we have come out with a complete QR code catalog that propel us through innovation. Since 2014, GSE Online SDN BHD has supplied rubber mattings as well as heat insulation materials and 3D Wallart Wallpanels for domestic markets. The list below includes all product categories. Category 1. Customize extrusion and molded EPDM, nitrile and silicone rubber. Silicone rubber, available in solid rubber only. 1. Silicone rubber has great cold flexibility as well as high thermal resistance. It has excellent dielectric properties and particularly good resistance to attack by oxygen, ozone and sunlight. 2. It has pore strength and tear resistance to mineral oils. 3. General working temperature range from -60 degrees Celsius to +200 degrees Celsius and high temperature shock up to 260 degrees Celsius and additional post-cure for achieving FDA requirements upon request. EPDM rubber, available in solid and sponge rubber. 1. EPDM is ideal for outdoor applications because of its excellent resistance to ozone, oxidants, UV exposure and severe weather conditions. 2. It is highly recommended for applications where the elastomer will have excessive exposure to the environment. General working temperature range from -45 degrees Celsius to +150 degrees Celsius. 3. Other outstanding characteristics of EPDM rubber include excellent color stability, heat resistance, and dielectric qualities. 4. EPDM is not recommended for applications involving petroleum derivatives and generally attacked by mineral oils, solvents, and aromatic hydrocarbons. Nitrile, BHD or NBR, available in solid sheet and molded rubber. 1. Nitrile is the most widely used elastomer in the seal industry. 2. The popularity of nitrile is due to its excellent resistance to petroleum products and its ability to be compounded for service over a temperature range of -35 degrees Celsius to +120 degrees Celsius. 3. It has excellent resistance to mineral oil, greases, water, hydrocarbon fuels, compression set resistance, and good elastic properties. Category 2. Electrical insulation rubber product. 2 types available. Electrical insulation rubber mats are also called 1. Non-conductive switchboard mats. 2. Dielectric rubber mats. 3. High-voltage insulation rubber mats. Type 1. Electrical switchboard rubber matting under IEC 61111-2009. Type 2. Short time or rapid rise electrical insulation rubber product. Purpose: engineered to prevent electric shock around high-voltage equipment for electricians. Scope: ideal for workers in the electric utility industries. Characteristics: 1. Made of non-conductive high-density rubber compound. 2. Compliance to restriction use of hazardous substances, with SGS certificates of compliance test reports. 3. Tested according to IEC 61111 or Malaysian Standard MSIEC 60243 Clause 10. Type 1. Electrical switchboard rubber matting under IEC 61111-2009. Our range consists of Class 0 to 4 or class resistant from low voltage 1000 volts to 36,000 volts high voltage. IEC 61111 is the latest standard for electrical insulating matting, and for use as a floor matting for the electrical protection of workers to prevent electric shock and hazards around electrical equipment, from low voltage, medium voltage, and high voltage. Electrical safety matting is tested to a higher voltage than the nominal maximum use voltage. The voltage at which the matting is certified to is the safe working voltage, the voltage at which the matting is recommended for use under IEC standards. Our test samples were subjected to dielectric withstand test for minimum of 3 minutes or 180 seconds without breakdown in insulating oil. Type 2. Short time or rapid rise electrical insulation rubber product. Model GSE 60243 short time corrugated switchboard matting, complies to Malaysian Standard MSIEC 60243 Clause 10 and tested according to Malaysian Standard specification by third-party certified accredited laboratory in Malaysia. MSIEC test methods. Electric strength of insulating materials test methods. Part 1. Tests at power frequencies, IEC 60243-1, 2013, mode of increase of voltage. A. Subclause 10.1, Short Time or Rapid Rise Test. The voltage shall be raised from zero at a uniform rate until breakdown occurs. It is satisfactory if the majority of breakdowns occur between 10 seconds and 20 seconds, with the rate of voltage rise shall be chosen at 2 kV per second or 5 kV per second over 50 kV. The electric strength shall be based on the highest nominal voltage which is withstood for 20 seconds without breakdown. Our test samples were subjected to dielectric withstand test for minimum of 1 minute or 60 seconds without breakdown. Our note to users. Users need to evaluate suitability for their applications before placing order from us. Category 3, Anti-slip rubber floor mats for dry areas. Purpose. There are many conditions where people come across the need to buy a rubber runner or floor mat. Whether for the home, office layout, or factory pathway. Rubber floor mats are used in a variety of conditions with the primary aim of keeping people safe from slippery or protecting the floor beneath. Our rubber mat can install over almost any existing floor type, provided it is smooth, flat, and dry. Scope. Ideal for lift floor, door and walkways, hallways, corridors, high traffic areas, industrial and automotive pathways, warehousing area, production floor coverage, shipping and packaging areas, etc. Characteristics. 1. Slip resistant. 2. Easy to clean and almost free of maintenance. 3. Simple and easy to install. 4. Variably adjusted in length and width. 5. Prevents injuries. 6. Cleans easily with a hose or blower. 4 common types of dry floor mat and roll. Type 1, round dot or stud reclaimed rubber floor mats, available in 3 colors, black, SBR gray and SBR red, with 5 options of sizes. Largest size could reach to 1.8 meters or 6 feet width by 10 meters length per roll to provide seamless floor. Type 2, black corrugated reclaimed rubber floor mats. Type 3, black checker reclaimed rubber floor mats. Type 4, black diamond reclaimed rubber floor mats. 1 type of dry anti-slip floor tile. Type 1 to 100% EPDM rubber stud floor tile, available in 4 colors, black, gray, green and blue. EPDM is ideal for outdoor applications because of its excellent resistance to ozone, oxidants, UV exposure and severe weather conditions. Specifications. 1. Made in Malaysia. 2. Nominal thickness, 5 mm, approximately 3.5 mm base layer and 1.5 mm protruding. 3. Width, 450 mm. 4. Length, 450 mm. 5. Material, 100% EPDM rubber. 6. Density, 1.50 grams per cubic centimeter. 7. Hardness, 80 plus or minus 10 Shore A. 8. Weight piece, 1.20 kilograms. 9. Round dot diameter, 25 millimeters. Category 4, slip-resistant high drainage matting. Purpose. The textured surface pattern provides a high level of traction and prevents slippery from wet, grease and oily areas. Scope. Ideal for bar areas, kitchen, production or maintenance floor, bathroom, restaurant, and areas that require high water drainage or slippery resistant. 4 common types of high drainage rubber mat. Type 1, rubber ring mat, also called kitchen mat. Kitchen mats provide traction and drainage in areas prone to spills and moisture accumulation. Water and debris are effectively channeled below the surface of the mat, keeping walking surfaces clean and safe. Characteristics. 1. Well-engineered high drainage cylindrical holes prevent residue, laboring germs and bacteria. 2. Slightly raised ribs on top greatly reduces the chance of slips and falls, and resilient cushioned rubber provides fatigue relief for workers, helping increase productivity. Specifications. 12 mm thickness by 3 feet width by 5 feet length per piece. Type 2, interlocking rubber ring mat, also called interlocking kitchen mat. Characteristics. 1. Medium soft and cushioned rubber adds comfort to users, rubber provides anti-fatigue benefits. 2. Our interlocking ring mats make it easy to cover large floor spaces. Specifications. 10 mm thickness, 3 feet width by 3 feet length per piece, or equivalent to 9 square feet per piece. Type 3, high drainage scraper rubber mat. Characteristics: 1. Tapered beveled edges prevent trips and falls. High-profile raised edge will not only collect dirt but discharge liquids and moisture. 2. The surface texture helps scrape any lingering debris off from incoming footwear, and it helps provide the foot traffic with a higher degree of traction. Specifications: 12 mm thickness, 3 feet width by 5 feet length per piece. Type 4 interlocking PVC. Characteristics: 1. Native durable PVC, water and stain resistant. 2. Easy to install, with all tiles come in 1 square foot size, interlock each other to form a layer of anti-slip feature. 3. Dirt or water can easily be cleaned up. 4. Safe and cost effective. Specifications: 1. Dimension: 1 square foot size with nominal thickness 13 mm. 2. Available color: black, green, gray, red or maroon and violet. Category 5. Standard Operation Procedures, or SOP, to minimize spread of infectious disease through shoe soles. Purpose: ideal for use in critical hygiene environment, designed for areas that require disinfection before entering. Cleaning dirt and grime from shoe soles and entrances while reducing the spread of germs, bacteria and viruses. Scope: any areas required sterile environments like healthcare facilities, food processing industries, hospitals or labs and healthcare clinics, farm and agricultures, sports facilities and locker rooms, aquariums, emergency medical services and many other applications. 2 types available. Type 1. Disinfectant boot dip or shoe dip, rubber mat with model BD47 BLK 980 by 810, and BD47 YLW 980 by 810 with yellow visible border. Characteristics: 1. Made of durable natural rubber. 2. Natural rubber offers good resistance to both tear and abrasion damage. 3. Raised walls on the boot dip sanitizing mat hold up to 20 liters of anti-germicidal detergent or any liquid. 4. Hundreds of rubber bristles with thickness of around 15 mm which encourage boot cleaning whilst trapping dirt and grit. 5. Ideal for toe-covered shoes like boots, sneakers, running shoes etc. Specifications: our boot dip mats feature a height of around 47 mm, width 980 mm and length 810 mm per piece. Type 2. Scraper shoe sanitizer mat. Model SSM 17 BLK 610 by 910. Characteristics: 1. Made of reclaimed rubber. 2. Raised walls on the sanitizing shoe mat hold up to 3 liters of anti-germicidal detergent or any liquid for hygienic cleaning. 3. Ideal for most of the street shoes like sandals, slippers and high heel shoes. Specifications: our scraper shoe sanitizer mat features a height of around 17 mm, width 610 mm and length 910 mm per piece. Come with wet absorbent sheet with thickness of around 10 mm by 550 mm, width by 800 mm length per piece. Category 6. Gym rubber floor mats. 3 types of rubber gym mat products available. 1. Interlocking black gym mat. 2. Blue speckled gym mat. 3. Interlocking gym mat with red starlight EPDM granule. Purpose: to protect floor from vibration, scuffs and marks, shock, sound absorption and acoustic insulation, especially for gym equipment. Scope: ideal for sport flooring, gym flooring, fitness flooring, corridors, commercial buildings with high traffic walkway, garage etc. Characteristics: 1. Made of high-density reclaimed rubber, durable and most common for cost-saving gym floor. 2. Durable and comfortable when step on it. 3. Slip-resistant. 4. Shock and sound absorption. 5. Tile material is waterproof and will not absorb water. 6. Easy installation and no experience needed. 7. Easy to maintain. 8. Perfect for indoor as well as outdoor. 9. Low life cycle costs. Type 1. Interlocking black gym mat. Specifications: model BGM 10B LK 500. 10 mm thickness by 500 mm width by 500 mm length per piece, equivalent to 0.25 square meters per piece. Color: available in all black. Type 2. Blue speckled rubber floor mat. The perfect solution for children's playground due to its softness, thick and higher cushion for protecting children from fatal falls. Our speckled rubber floor tile is durable and a unique look in speckled blue, adding color to your workout area. Specifications. Model, SGM 20BLU 500. 20 mm thickness by 500 mm width by 500 mm length per piece, equivalent to 0.25 square meters per piece. Color, blue speckled. Type 3, interlocking rubber floor mat with EPDM red starlight granule. Specifications. Model, IGM 10 or ED 600. 10 mm thickness by 600 mm width by 600 mm length per piece, equivalent to 0.36 square meters per piece. Color, red starlight. Category 7, outdoor rubber tile. Purpose. The main purpose of our playground mat or tile is to keep your playground surfacing safe. Help to put a little bounce to when a person hits the surface of the flooring, to protect from harmful fall and to prevent injuries from falls from the play equipment. Scope. Ideal for safe surface on which children can play and exercise in parks, playgrounds, recreational areas, exercise floors, schools and backyards, etc. Characteristics. 1. Cost-saving rubber playground tiles are made of recycled tires or reclaimed rubber. 2. Uniform colors. 3. Provides a clean, weather-resistant and safe surface. 4. A practical alternative to grass, concrete or other surfaces often used in children's areas. 5. Provide nearly maintenance-free surface after installation. 6. The surface can be easily cleaned with a broom or garden hose. Specifications. Playground rubber tiles. 20 mm thickness by 500 mm width by 500 mm length per piece, equivalent to 0.25 square meters per piece. Colors, available in black and terracotta or red. Category 8, entrance door rubber mat. 2 types available. Type 1. Water hog polypropylene top surface with anti-slip flat rubber backing. Purpose. Most popular entrance mats for trapping water and drink-up water, and mud to keep the floors clean and dry. Scope. Ideally for moderate to heavy traffic, both indoor and outdoor, like locker room, hotel lobby, office lobby, restaurant entrance, hospitals, schools, home, malls, etc. Characteristics. Raised polypropylene top surface superbly removes dirt and moisture. The water dam border is designed to hold dirt and moisture, which ensures floor protection for any kind of entranceway. Specifications. 2 designs available, Classic and Premier. Available colors, blue, red and green for 600 mm by 900 mm or 2 feet by 3 feet and 1000 mm by 1600 mm or 3 feet by 5 feet. Type 2. Scraper rubber mat. Purpose. To scrape away any remaining dirt or mud on soles of shoes before entering premises. Scope. Ideal for high traffic in outdoor areas, to remove dirt, mud and debris within the trenches of the rubber floor mats. Characteristics. 1. Made of natural rubber. 2. Low-profile raised edge will not only collect dirt but contain liquids and moisture. Specifications. Black color, 6 mm thickness, 910 mm by 1520 mm, or 3 feet by 5 feet. Category 9. ESD table mat. 8 types of ESD table mat products available. 1. Roche 2 ESD dark green mat. 2. Roche 1 ESD green mat. 3. Roche 1 ESD apple green mat. 4. Roche 1 ESD blue mat. 5. Roche 1 ESD gray mat. 6. Roche 1 ESD brown mat. 7. Roche 1 ESD black mat. 8. Anti-slip ESD diamond mat. 9. Accessory grounding cable.
What is ESD or electrostatic discharge?
Electrostatic discharge is the sudden flow of electricity between 2 electrically charged objects caused by contact, an electrical short, or dielectric breakdown.
Why we need anti-static protection?
A buildup of static electricity can be caused by tribocharging or by electrostatic induction. Thus, we need ESD protection to prevent equipment damage resulted from triboelectric voltage of the static dissipative.
Why should we be concerned about the impact of electrostatic discharge, and why anti-static carpeting for your facility?
An example, It only takes 25 electrostatic volts to irreparably damage an integrated circuit or electronic items. Many items in workplace can store thousands of volts in electrostatic charges. Thus, we need ESD carpeting protection to avoid intangible losses.
What is the impact of relative humidity or RH on ESD?
Relative humidity directly affects the ability of a surface to store an electrostatic charge. In an electronics manufacturing environment, lower humidity may result in lower output from production due to an increase in ESD events during manufacturing processes. A normal range for humidity in an electronics manufacturing environment is between 30% RH and 70% RH. The recommended humidity range is usually determined by the specifications of the devices and components being assembled. Increasing the humidity in an electronics manufacturing facility can help to reduce ESD events, but increased humidity can lead to other unwanted quality issues in an electronics manufacturing environment, such as corrosion and moisture-sensitive devices. Scope: ideal for use for workstations, electronic manufacturing, pharmaceutical plants, cleanrooms, fiber optics, electronic assembly, and many more. Characteristics: 1. The anti-static mat is made up of 2 layers. The top layer is static dissipative and the bottom layer conductive. 2. The surface resistance of static dissipative layer, 10 to the power 6 to 9 ohms. The surface resistance of conductive layer, below 10 to the power 6 ohm. Volume resistance, 10 to the power 6 to 9 ohms. Peel-off sticky mats. Sticky mats are also called tacky mats or peel-off clean mats with individually numbered and peel-off adhesive mats. The sole of a shoe is the bottom part of the shoe that comes in direct contact with the ground. Our peel-off sticky mats provide a tacky surface which is to remove dirt and debris off shoe soles before entering a sanitary-sensitive environment and sterile environments free from impurities that could contaminate the area. Characteristics: 1. Sticky mats are made of low-density polyethylene materials with water-based adhesives. 2. Film thickness, approximately 30 to 40 micrometers. 3. One single mat consists of 30 removable layers, easy sheet-to-sheet removal. 4. 10 mats per carton. 5. Mat color, blue. Specifications. Sizes available. Model A, 24 inches by 36 inches and Model B, 26 inches by 45 inches. Category 10, ESD floor mats or ESD anti-fatigue mats. Research has shown that anti-fatigue mats dramatically reduce fatigue, help promote safety, and alleviate health concerns in the workplace. There are many types of anti-fatigue mats depending on what your needs are. 4 types of ESD anti-fatigue products available. 1. Multi-purpose ESD standing comfort mat. 2. ESD anti-fatigue diamond mat. 3. ESD anti-fatigue dome mat. 4. Fire retardant ESD interlocking conductive solid top rubber floor mat. Purpose: anti-fatigue mats have proven to create a safer and more productive workplace by 1. Reducing slip and fall injuries. 2. Reducing back pain and stress when standing for long periods of time. 3. Anti-fatigue mats absorb the shock and this cushioning effect reduces foot fatigue. Scope: ideal for heavy-duty industrials, electronic manufacturing, pharmaceutical plants, cleanrooms, electronic assembly, warehousing, etc. Type 1. Multipurpose ESD standing comfort mat. Characteristics: 1. Softer compared to other anti-fatigue mat and ideal for offices, home kitchens, restaurants, hotels, speaker stages, receptions, etc. 2. Germ-proof formula with water, oil and chemical resistant. 3. Rubberized foam with hardness approximately 20 Shore C. Specifications: approximately 17 mm thickness by 500 mm width by 900 mm length per piece. Type 2. ESD anti-fatigue diamond mat. Characteristics: 1. Anti-slip diamond top surface with 3 layers. Layer 1, NBR, nitrobutadiene rubber, Layer 2 is foam, and Layer 3 is oil-resistant NBR rubber sheet to cover the foam from exposure. 2. A beveled edge helps avoid tripping on the mat. Specifications: available in 3 sizes, 1.5 feet by 2 feet, 2 feet by 3 feet and 3 feet by 5 feet. Type 3. Conductive anti-fatigue dome mat. Characteristics: 1. Made of natural rubber. 2. 100% conductive rubber. 3. The unique air pocket structure becomes softer as compressed and rebound instantly as weight is shifted. Specifications: approximately 13 mm thickness by 600 mm by 900 mm length, or 2 feet by 3 feet per piece. Type 4. Fire retardant ESD interlocking conductive solid top rubber floor mat. Characteristics: 1. Specifically used for full floor coverage in warehouses, workstations, server rooms and manufacturing or auto assembly lines etc. with embossed surface for improved traction. 2. The 3 feet by 3 feet interlocking mats fit together like a puzzle to create custom ESD workstations or complete room systems. Specifications: approximately 16 mm thickness by 910 mm width by 910 mm length, or 3 feet by 3 feet per piece. Category 11. Animal Stable Rubber Mat Product. The cow mats help your cows to lie down and get up painlessly on the mats. It also increases their resting time and reduces injury and growth of pathogens. Purpose: 1. The rubber surface reduces the chance of trapped bacteria and disease. 2. Increases blood supply to teats and udder. 3. Soft lying area, thus maximizes the natural resting period. 4. Increased productivity and profitability. 5. Reduces laminitis and lameness. 6. Reduces premature culling. 7. Improve milk quality, especially referring to cows. Scope: ideal for livestock. Cow rubber mats are an excellent flooring option, designed to help the dairy industry keep their cattle comfortable and safe. Characteristics: 1. With moderate hardness softness. 2. Indoor moderate pressure. 3. Good elasticity, anti-impact, abrasion resistance, aging resistance and anti-slip performance. 4. Available color, black. Specifications: approximately 17 mm thickness by 1220 mm width by 1830 mm length. Or 4 feet width by 6 feet length per piece. Category 12. Traffic Safety Products. 11 types of traffic safety products available. Type 1. 100% EPDM rubber speed bumps with lock. Purpose: reduce the risk of accidents in parking areas and residential streets. Scope: ideal for shops or factories or shopping malls, roads, private roads and residential areas. Specifications: 1. Meet Australian and New Zealand standards. 2. Homogeneous EPDM rubber will compress under high impact better than recycled or reclaimed rubber. 3. Manufacture from high-density 100% homogeneous EPDM rubber with cat's eye and lock features to prevent dislocation after installation. 4. Available in black and yellow combination for greater visibility. Type 2. Parabolic reclaimed rubber speed bumps. Purpose: rubber speed bumps, to serve as a traffic calming device for roads with speeding problems. Speed bumps are not to be used to slow traffic at a given point, but rather to reinforce a safe and consistent speed. Scope: ideal for shops or factories or shopping malls, roads, private roads and residential areas. Specifications: 1. Manufacture from cost-saving recycled rubber with cat's eye. 2. Available in black and yellow combination for greater visibility. Type 3. Rubber wheel stopper with yellow reflective strip. Purpose: 1. Limit curb overhang which is inconvenient or hazardous for pedestrians. 2. Limit contact with an end barrier or high curb. 3. Inhibit encroachment into an opposing parking space. Scope: ideal for use to protect parts of the building or other fixed objects or equipment from damage by vehicles. Specifications: manufacture from recycled rubber with yellow reflective strip on 2 sides. Type 4. 2-channel heavy-duty cable humps. Purpose: cable humps to help provide safe passage for pedestrians and vehicles. Scope: ideal for frequent vehicle movements and variety of applications including indoor and outdoor, construction sites, industrial and commercial settings. Specifications: 1. Available in black and yellow combination with 6 cat's eyes for greater visibility. 2. 2 channels for hoses and cables, channel widths approximately 40 mm and depth approximately 35 mm. The channels are open-bottomed, so the ramp can be simply laid onto of cables. Type 5 and 6, 3 and 5 channel pedestrian cable hump with PVC cover. Purpose: cable humps to help provide a safe pathway over cabling. Advantages include non-slip surface, with interlock design and lid fastening feature. Scope: ideal for temporary or semi-permanent applications such as construction sites, distribution depots, emergency works and road works, etc. Specifications: 1. Black and highly visible yellow with tread plate surface for added traction. 2. Top opens easily to lay your hoses or cables in position. 3. 3 channels for hoses and cables, channel widths approximately 60 mm and depth 50 mm. 4. 5 channels for hoses and cables, channel widths approximately 35 mm and depth 30 mm. 5. Multiple units can be connected for required length. Type 7, polyurethane flexible post with high-intensity reflective tape. Purpose: used to divert road into 2 parts and give advance warning of a hazard. Scope: ideal for driveways, pathways, car parks, housing estate, gas station, etc. Specifications: 1. Made of durable polyurethane that is UV resistant, cold resistant and heat resistant. 2. High impact resistance. 3. Post color, orange or red with 3 lines of reflective sheet in white. Type 8, rubber wheel chocks. Purpose: to create a secure grip against tires and keep vehicles from rolling away, and are placed closely against a vehicle's wheels in order to prevent accidental movement. Scope: always good to have on hand when loading, unloading, or when parked on any type of incline or decline. Specifications: most popular curved surface that contours to fit tires, designed to chock large diameter truck wheels. Type 9, stainless steel grade 316 tactile studs. Purpose: to assist pedestrians community with more accessibility to the public places or buildings, a wide range of applications including hotels, office buildings, public areas, museums, and shopping centers. Scope: ideal for use for both interior or exterior applications. Specifications: made of stainless steel grade 316. Type 10, indoor 100% EPDM tactile. Purpose: 1. As a warning signs for pedestrians. 2. To assist pedestrians community with visually impaired and provide more accessibility to the public places or buildings. 3. Hazard and directional integrated ground surface tactile indicators. Scope: ideal for interior and sheltered locations. Suitable substrates: concrete, ceramics, stones, woods, plastics, glass, steel, etc. Specifications: 1. Made in Malaysia. 2. Made of EPDM rubber, excellent resistance to ozone, oxidants, UV exposure and severe weather conditions. Type 11, outdoor ceramic tactile. Purpose: designed to assist the vision impaired in navigating public walkways and unfamiliar areas, advising of approaching hazards and of safer routes. Scope: ideal for use in both internal and external applications such as bus stops, pedestrian crossings, stairs and ramps. Can be installed into concrete, bitumen, pavers, and over most other substrates. Specifications: 1. Made of ceramics and UV stabled. 2. Stripes designed for walkway guidance, the direction in which pedestrians can move on. 3. Studs design is for hazard warning or stop sign where care should be taken before crossways. Category 13, heat insulation products. 2 types of heat insulation products available. 1. G4 foam laminated with pure aluminium. 2. Heat insulation bubble foil. Purpose: there are many reasons for installing home insulation, and it can be one of the best investments a homeowner can make. Some of the main benefits of our home insulation can be seen below. 1. Lower energy costs. Reduce electricity usage. 2. Improved home comfort. Insulation is particularly effective at improving your home's room temperatures. 3. Reduces carbon emissions. 4. Prevents condensation buildup. Scope. Recommended for use for surface thermal temperature below 80 degrees Celsius. Ideal for all types for home or commercial roof insulation, packaging and HVAC ducting or piping. In order to achieve higher performance, users may use double layers. Radiant barriers are more effective in hot climates, especially when cooling air ducts are located in the attic. Some studies show that radiant barriers can reduce cooling costs up to 10% when used in a warm and sunny climate. Type 1, Heat Insulation G4 Foam. Characteristics. 1. Excellent thermal insulation material with closed cell cross-linked structure. 2. Reflect and prevent condensation buildup and reduces heat penetration through the product. 3. Insulate performance higher as compared to the aluminium bubble foil without XPE foam in the market. 4. Cushioning and shock absorption property. 5. Non-CFC. 6. Non-toxic, hygienic and fungal resistant. Specifications. Approximately 10 mm thickness by 1.2 meters width by 20 meters length per roll. Equivalent to 24 square meters or 258 square feet coverage per roll. Type 2, Heat Insulation Bubble Foil. The most common and economical heat insulation product for commercial, factory lots or huge coverage areas. Characteristics. 1. Made of fire retardant PE or polyethylene. 2. Lightweight and easy to handle. 3. Pure aluminium bonded to tear-resistant polyethylene core and bubble wrap insulation. Specifications. Model number. BF4BBF 1.2 by 40, approximately 4 mm thickness by 1.2 meters width by 40 meters length per roll. Equivalent to 48 square meters or 516 square feet coverage per roll. Category 14. 3D eco-friendly Wallart wall decoration products. 26 unique designs available and Wallart 3D wall panels bring your walls to life. Purpose. The Wallart 3D wall panels are designed that when put together they form a pattern. After installing them they can be painted in every color which fits the interior of your house or a new to be created style. Scope. The Wallart 3D wall panels give an extra dimension to your walls and they fit in almost every room of the house: living rooms, TV rack backgrounds, bedrooms, kitchens, offices, receptions, entertainment door entrances, exhibition shelf, etc. Characteristics. 1. Wallart brings your walls to life with their modern and eco-friendly 3D wall panels made out of the 100% recycled and biodegradable fibrous residue of sugarcane. 2. The eco-friendly raw material is a paintable texture, oil-proof, compostable and is therefore 100% biodegradable. 3. Color, off-white. 4. Past reaction to fire classification Class E. 5. Past flame spread index. 6. Tested and passed emission test following the principle for the health assessment of construction products. 7. Healthy and safe with no chemical fillers, plastics, no VOCs, and no urea formaldehyde. 8. Restriction use of hazardous substance compliant. Specifications. 1. Dimension, 500 mm width by 500 mm length per piece with almost 90 degrees cutting edge. Equivalent to 0.25 square meters per piece or 2.69 square feet per piece. 2. Approximately 275 grams per piece. One standard carton consists of 12 pieces or equivalent to 3 square meters or 32 square feet. Disclaimer. The information contained on the service is for general information purposes only. Users need to evaluate suitability for their industry's applications before placing order from us. The company is not responsible for any errors or omissions, or for the results obtained from the use of this information. Even if the company takes every precaution to ensure that the content of the service is both current and accurate, errors can occur. Plus, given the changing nature of laws, rules and regulations, there may be delays, omissions or inaccuracies in the information contained on the service.